Why do you have your umbrella?
Because it's sunny. Hey, can I get second?
Are you sure?
Yes, because I'm the weather person.
So what is a weather person called technically?
I don't know. Person weather.
Okay. Why is your umbrella all polka dotted?
This is polka dotted?
You were brilliant.
I don't know.
Okay. So you say it's sunny, then why is the sky gray?
Try a little bit.
What are you talking about?
Remember, everyone's got to get there first.
It's yellow. The sky is yellow. I bet it's gonna rain down meatballs. Or hot dogs.
Any luck?
Just be patient.
Fire in